Hello, young learners. Welcome to Amazing English class with Miss Damilola. Today we'll be talking about sentences. What did I say? Sentences. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes sense. Sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark called full stop. As you can see, I started the definition of sentence with a capital letter A and I ended it rather with a full stop. Makes sense. And I ended it with full stop. We have different types of sentences. We have the declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. So we check this one after the other. Declarative sentence. It states a fact or tells something. The girl said, I like reading books. Can you see? She's telling us what she likes reading. I can say I like going to school. I like playing with my friends. It states facts or tells something. We have the interrogative sentence. It asks question. The boy is asking his friend, do you like playing football? Interrogative sentence ends with question mark. I can also say the policeman is interrogating the criminal. That means the policeman is asking the criminal questions. We also have the imperative sentence. The imperative sentence, it gives command or instruction. The girl is told to close the door. I can say keep quiet. Bring that for me. It gives a command or instruction. The exclamatory sentence. It expresses strong emotions. Like, wow, that's amazing. Hooray! Happy birthday! This is amazing. Can you see the girl's expression? She was like, wow, that's amazing. Ouch, this hurt. It expresses was strong emotion and it do ends with exclamatory mark. As you can see after amazing, that mark is called exclamatory mark. Practice time. I'm sure you've learned a lot about sentences. So now identify the type of sentence. The first one, the sun rises in the east. The second one, what is your name? The third one, bring me her pencil. The fourth one, I love playing with my dog. So write the type of sentence all this belongs to. Thanks for watching. See you in the next class. Bye.